Yesterday, Michael said there is something for the leg. So I said, no, it's not me. Because I was not feeling, I was sitting and just pressing my leg. No, it's not me. But then I said, this is from 36 years. That this leg of mine is not moving. My toes, I don't feel them. So I said, come on, might be it is me, let me see. Then when I came, I said, I cannot squat like this, okay? See, I did it now. 36 years, I didn't know. Even if something had to fall, I would tell my children or my granddaughter, baby, remove it from down. I don't know that I have sat like this in my life to do anything. But see, I did it 2 times now and I didn't even think. So this is what it is like. If you have faith, everything is possible.
Okay, how many of you are having leg problems? Stand up, let's see. How long was it there? You can't even remember. What you could not do?
I don't
Squat,
feel it.
squat, let's see. Squat. I'm telling you to do it. Okay, up, down, up. In the presence of God, this is happening. Nothing about man. Nothing about man. Now squat again. Yeah, there it is. You've not done this for how long? 36 years. In 36 years, you've not squatted at all. Come on, do it again. Come on. That's awesome, right? Come on. Come on. That's great. Come on, give Jesus the praise. Amen. Amen. 36 years, many years back, she had been through an accident and her leg was crushed. Yep, and went through many months of recovery.
9 months in the hospital.
Yep.
Hospital.
And the side effects of the accident was the effects on the leg. Yep. 36 years. No matter what accident happened, but God healed it today. Yep. So 36 years. Come on, give Jesus the praise.